Hello, another quick unboxing. This time it's for the ASUS or ASUS Cerberus keyboard and mouse, the LED backlit USB gaming keyboard and optical gaming mouse. They came as a bundle and they were discounted to about half the previous retail price, which is why they're here. So let's see what they're like. We'll start with I'll do the mouse first. So I just push the keyboard out of the way a little bit. That's the back of it there. Max DPI 2500 with 4 customizable levels, 6 buttons. It's Ambidextrous Design. It's a braided cable, not a thick plastic one. 1.8 meters cable. And let's have a look. There's a quick start guide, details what the buttons are. Multilingual, VIP member warranty notice. Good. There's another little thing there which I'll just snip. And that's it. So it has got a braided cable, quite a thick cable, but it's also a bit floppy, so that's kind of good. There's the bottom of it. That's what the buttons sound like. And it's quite clicky. Ooh, that's plasticky. So that's the DPI button. Really plasticky. These are your standard left and right buttons. And these are the buttons on the side. I mean, it says it's ambidextrous design, but the buttons are only on one side. So if you're left-handed, you don't get the buttons. So not ambidextrous ASUS. Yep, so that's that. Yeah, looks all right. Looks a bit like a Razer mouse, but obviously isn't. Let's try the keyboard. Keyboard's got 2 seals. That's the back of the box. Looks like that. 2 color lighting, 4 level light setting, macro keys, media keys. Ugh, I don't really like media keys. And let's have a look. It's quite a good little box. It comes out. Braided cable. Out of the way. Another VIP member warranty notice, same as another one. Quick start guide, multilingual, user manual. That's the English one. Yeah, media player control, volume up, volume down. Function keys, backlight control on and off. Where's that? I'll see that in a minute. Function plus page up and page down, increase or decrease backlight brightness. Right, okay. Here's the keyboard itself. It's a bit plasticky. It's got some sort of detailing there and there. So you've got a bright orange bottom. It's got the feet obviously and little rubber bits. Let's see what the keys sound like. It's a bit plasticky. It has got a full-size enter button, because some of them don't, and that's really annoying if you're used to one. It's got a little logo there that presumably lights up. Yeah, so I was going to say the mouse is better than the keyboard, because it does feel a bit better, even though the mouse is pretty horrible. So it was retailing for about 60 quid, this was, and this came in at 30, so they've halved the price of it, and I think it's pretty obvious why that is. I mean, it's quite... The good thing is that when it lights up, that the keys, I don't know if you can quite see, but the keys have got transparent bits, so it does light the letters up, because sometimes they just backlight the keys, but the actual letters don't show up. I haven't got a USB extension cable handy, so I don't think I can plug it in, but I'll just try and plug it in, because I've got my main computer behind me, and I'll just see if it reaches. To be a test of how long the cable is, won't it, if it reaches to it. Ooh, which it will, so that's pretty good. So I'm going to plug that in there and then see what happens. So that's it lit up. So I'll turn off the light so we can have a little look. That's one light off. Oh, I looked into it. Oh, I hate that. And that's the other. If I press it again, it turns it off and on. And what did it say? Function and something else, wasn't it? Function and page up, page down. That's a bit nasty. I don't know how you change the... Yeah. Did say it was 2 colour, so I don't know how you get the other colour. That's off and on. Function, that one just sort of dims it a little bit. Yeah. Generally a bit nasty. I don't know how you change the colour on it. Oh, hang on, it's pulsing at me now. So the keys are, you can actually see the letters on them because the little letter bit's transparent, because some of the backlight ones don't do that. I don't really want it pulsing at me, so we'll stop that. So hopefully that won't pulse now. So it's got a bad colour, but it's not, yeah. Okay, let's put these lights back on. So that's that one. And that one, I'll unplug it. I might just check to see if there is a way to change it to blue. No, I'm talking nonsense about it being blue. So I didn't say 2 colour on it then. Using the swap mode, no. No. Oh, it's got all sorts of multimedia functiony things. Launch to rapid fire mode, repeating keystrokes. So it's got little sneaky bells and whistles. Oh, press function, yeah. Yeah. Breathe light. Press function plus that to enable disable the breathe light function. Profile 0 is blue, profile 1 is red. To reset to default. Press function to... Oh, you can increase the speed of the breathe light. Oh, annoying. So instead of having drivers that do that, and a nice little app like all the other keyboards do, and then you set the colour that you want, and then you don't bother running the software again because the keyboard remembers what you've told it. Instead of doing that, ASUS have put in all these sort of stupid keyboard shortcuts. So you're going to be playing away and suddenly it starts, yeah, no. No. So that explains why they were bundled together quite cheaply. It is a bit plasticky. And that noise is horrible. So yeah, worth 30 quid. Not worth 60. Yeah, anyway, so any comments, especially as I've just basically slated it, stick them in the comments. Any questions, stick them in the comments as well. And liking and subscribing is very helpful. And as ever, thanks for watching.